welcome. This is the Concord Pacific Dragon Boat Festival. Just at the ending part. It's 7:08. We're just gonna see the grand finale, the performance this year. Just taking everything down at this point already. Lots of food trucks.
This next song, unreleased, it's called Body Language. This one's for all my ladies. Summertime, baby! I'ma need some love and protection, need some redemption. Baby, you got all my attention. Heard it's hard to find love in this town. A million ways I've been let down. I don't want another man who doesn't understand me and my body. Just need somebody love, someone to love, not just anybody. Can't hold love, not just anybody. Can't hold my body, babe. I don't want another man who doesn't understand me and my body. Just need somebody love, someone to love, not just anybody. Can't hold my body, babe. Your time, who doesn't understand me and my body. Just need somebody love, someone to love, not just anybody. Can't hold my body, babe. Who doesn't understand me and my body? Just need somebody love, again, someone to love, not just anybody. Can't hold my body, babe. I see you swaying. This way. Baby, I don't wanna fight. I just want you to try with me. I know you got the time. Can you let me get it started? You know time is on our side. Oh, make it feel so natural. Make it look so deep in your bankroll. If we sink, if we grow, what I need when you get the call. If you think I'm better gone, the rest will always be on the other side. Without me, 'cause I just want you on tonight, tonight. Won't you hold me like it's your last chance? Don't keep me waiting, don't keep me waiting. Hold me like it's your last chance. Don't you waste it, baby. Take me all the way. Let me know when you touch down, baby. No, we shouldn't, but I can't stay craving. Come and see, know you wanna hit the border. I can look like I'm better, yeah. Never knew that I was missing. Now you finally made it. Baby, I'm so grateful. Can I confess? Can I confess? It's not every day you see my best. Can't give me no reason to second guess. There's no need to front, 'cause baby, you know what comes next. Won't you let me know when you touchdown? Got you catching flights just to see me, baby. We ain't in a hurry, so just stick around. I can get you right, come on, baby, test me. Got no time for games, I just wanna see you soon. I just need a bed so next to you. I wanna feel you with your body. I just need somebody. I'ma let you pick, let you set the pace. Need the time and place, need your full attention. Baby, there's no other way. I'm something let me in. Hold me like it's your last chance. Don't keep me waiting. Hold me like it's your last chance. Don't you waste it, baby. Take me all the way. Concord Pacific. My name is Nikkaela. Thank you for having me. This is my last song. Maybe I should get right, 'cause you said that I'm always wrong. Don't play dumb, 'cause you want me now that you're all alone. The way that we make it seem like we might as well be in love. Don't think you could act real tough, can we all just hit a thought? You think I'm for the taking? I don't know about that, baby. And I tried to play nice, I don't gotta say it. You don't gotta say my name. You can Need it right now, nobody touches you better the way that I do. He might have somebody, but he said I gotta make him brand new. Fell in love one too many times, but I bet he never had it like that. Oh, how we be getting real live, the plus. You think I'm for the taking? I don't know about that, baby. And I try to play nice. I don't gotta say it twice. You don't gotta say my name. You can just call me baby. Like it when I bounce on top, touching my body. Clap! Nobody touches you better the way that I do. He might have somebody, but he said I gotta make him brand new. All love one too many times, but I bet he never had it like this. Oh, how we be getting real live, like close like Kenny Payne. I'm the real thing. Thank you so much, Concord Pacific. Again, this is Reagan, Grace. My name is Nikkaela. Have a great rest of your night. Love you.
What did he say?
That was Nikkaela singing for the grand finale of this event. You enjoyed her singing.
Let's go! 5 for 50!
It's like butter and caramel.
Just playing with 55. Okay, how can I generate more power without...
So there was the other stage, the community stage. I guess they're done already for the night. Just gonna take a little walk around the seawall here. So over on the other side, that's where they had the races, near the Science World there, on the south side of the seawall, southeast. I guess they've finished for the night and they're already closing down everything. I hope you enjoyed that little performance there and event tour. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe.